miền tổ tế chấn viện đi chi viện sự phì phiếu phiếu kết duyệt để chi viện mình bảo dưỡng sật tại chi sơ riêng thằng tì đọc muối và miền pi nè
sơ về chia lai lộn được chả sơ chia lai miền thằng tì đọc muối thằng tì đọc pi chả
và pi riêng chi phun pính cái đôi chia hai phòng đại tại không nó vậy đại chi bát thiên là bọt ngày nếp miền tiền được chấn cả tì bảo dưỡng chẳng ói bảo ôn cho rung chiết miền một nạp phiếp chỉ mùi là côn khai bảo dưỡng đại ban cho ru bật cuột bật chênhติดจะหนึ่งจะรีบสู้ดาวโอนเตียงปีโปรธาบานเล็กมวยตู้เตียงปีพบโลกก็โดยเจี๊ยดบอลของใดชุบจมูกหนึ่งเพียงกันอยู่บ่อเยื้อง
จ้าทั้งไงนู้ทั้งไงนี่จ้าทั้งไงนี่จะรำเพอไปโปรธาเคยเนี่ยเขมรประกายเราอยู่แต่ขอปีอะไรเงี้ยจ้าทั้งไงนี่จะมีนวอร์ดมีนระบอบโอนชมูทับพัดเงินแห้งแต่โอนคือจีซัถนัดตีดอกมุ้ยเนวิชิไลเปรียซีสวัสดิ์นังวัดเมียนตีปีจากปอนคางซีสวัสดิ์ปอนโปรไอปอนสไลตีปีคือชมุทาซุนกิวกึมซิวแต่ปอนคือจีสัตนาตีดับปีในวิทยาลัยมงคลบัวไรคาดบันตีเหมือนใจตัวสนจนโซเหมือนจนจูบจมวยนังยุบจนนังยุบแวะในรีดอกขมาอย่างโดยต่อเตยจ่าจุดเรียบสู้ปอนนังปีจ่า
สู้บ่าออกกันนะให้ก็มีมุตนาเพียบนะแต่มีนในกลขมายระบอบยืงปีเนี่ยของได้แต่บานยกในเกจมัวระบอบขมายยืงยกแต่ปัญหาอันตรายเจียดเอาเกบานสกอลบานเคยอย่างปีศาจได้ระบอบก้นขมายยืงขนมนู้จังเอาโอนใส่บ่าส่วนกลุ่มซิวช่วยจำเรียบจูนเป็นบรรยังติดเหมือนทาตากาบก็คูดไปเจ๊งแต่ยืงให้ทาจำนัดถนัดเล็กมวยมอปีบรรดาปลดตีก็โดยเชี่ยประกูไปเจ๊งนี่ลือท่าโดยเชี่ยปีพบโลกของไอ้ปีอะไรได้ครับปีอะไรได้
คือเชี่ยการประกูไปเจ๊งแต่เซ่เชี่ยกำลังอาชีพการปีพบโลก
กลุ่มโรงอาชีพการพบโลกโอ้โหทมดมนะมีในอย่างหนึ่งเด็กช่วยเป็นโยลปีกลุ่มโรงหนึ่งติดเหมือน
สมัยกลุ่มโรงนั้นคือการดำเนินไอ้ประเทศในมวยเซ่ในกระดาษ A4 ปีสัญลักษณ์ให้ยังเตยเฟอร์จี optional slide นึงPowerPoint คือ4 slide ให้ยังเตยบังการเชียร์วิดีโอ presentation ระยะเป็น3 นาทีจ้า
อาจารย์ประกวดหน่อยนะ
การเปิดhost country คือในประเทศอัลลอมบนใต้สำหรับสักมายังคือยังเฟอร์โชว์รูมการประลองนึงตามระยะออนไลน์ปีประเทศกัมพูชายังเตยคือเฟอร์เนอร์มาเชื่อมโดยสหปฏิบัติการกัมพูชาญี่ปุ่น CJCC
โอ้ยจ้ะบองสแนปตัวปลื้มสบอแล้วโอ้ยจ้ะโหดาวกายมันเต้นจ้ะโหดแท้อะไรนั่งช่างดังงุนแห้งช่วยบรรจัยติมาสำหรับกำลังอาชีพการปอนแต่งปีจะกรมจมูกขณีจังนะจ้ะให้สมาชิกกรมมีประมาณเนี่ย
มีดอกเนี่ยบอง
ดอกเนี่ยจังนะให้ยังบังการกำลังอาชีพการแต่เลือพนายจะไว้ได้
คือดาวไทยนั่นคือเกตแหละท็อปพิกมากนะไม่ยังใหญ่จะต้องท็อปพิก
ให้ประเทศนับบอลเอาไว้ได้กรมปอนมันเฉลยๆน้อง
คือสมาร์ทฟู้ด
smartphone
ยี่ห้อท็อปพิกบอกคือเอายังบางให้ยังปีการดักตั้งในกลุ่มเน็ตทำไมด้วยก็กลุ่มเน็ตใช้ประเด็นดำไปจุ่มเรียบจุ่นดอสหกรมดอประปอนสับสานนี้ก็โดยเชี่ยได้จากท็อปพิกบาร์เอาโยลำปีอัฐประโยชน์ในการเทอร์กสิกรรมแบบเล็กขนาดครูซา
เจอการเตี้ย
ได้การปู
มีนได้กลัวอยู่
จ้าไอ้จังเดิมไปแต่ให้ระยะไปประมาณได้ในสมาชิกดอกเนี่ยนั่งดาปลาแปรสำหรับแกบ้านในกลุ่มโรงอาชีพการมวยนี่จ้ะ
ดับปีเมา
แต่ดับปีเมา
คือระยะไปดับปีเมาจับปีเมาประมวยเพิกดำมองประมวยอะไรเงี้ยให้กิจช่วยตัวระยะไปคือมี3 time zone สำหรับอาเซียนสำหรับอเมริกาให้นึงยุโรปจึงแต่ดับปีเมานั่งมองประมวยปรักคือเกตตำแหน่งท็อปพิกเมาจึงแต่ประเทศต่างอ๋อเตอร์ล็อกอินโจจากทางแบบไซต์บอ GEC ยังจับดำเฟอร์เพลียม
จ้าให้เจ้าสมาชิกดอกเนี่ยนั่งยังเรียบจำคณีต่างปีนาเมาบานในทาจูบคณีปีมุ่นหรือก่ออย่างไร
คือมุ่นยังประกวดนั่นคือยังบันตัวการเทรนมาแข่
ยังไงยันเยอะเป็น
ยังบันการตัวการบันดอกบันดาระยะเป็นมาแข่ให้บันจูบคณีระยะเป็นเบอร์สมาชิกดอกเนี่ยนั่งให้ดอกเป็นเมาประมวยเพลียมง่ายตีประมาณได้อ่อน
ง่ายตีดับบุญไทยประมวยนั่งบอง
ง่ายทำไมนี่
นี่บอง
ง่ายตีดับบุญไทยมีโถนานี่
จ้าปวดดับไงนั่ง
จ้าให้ดอกเป็น
การปีไงจังนี่ยังมันเฟอร์สันนิษฐานกษัตริย์ทอมวยได้ใน CJCC
จังอ่ะ
นั่งไง
โอ้อันที่ต้องศึกษาตีเลยไอ้มาเจ้าเมียนอารมณ์ยังไม่ได้เราละบาน
เพิ่มนี่มาเลิกตีมวยสมัยมายังไอ้เปลี่ยนวันนั่นคือเลิกตีมวยจะปูอาศียืงแต่บ้านเปลี่ยนวันเล็กมวยนั่ง
ยังไงปีมวยนั่งตั้งปีชั้นปีปอนปีเมาบอลอาศีไปสเปกออนไลน์จอบไปยังจอบคือยังบ้านเปลี่ยนปีตรวจคณี
เปลี่ยนในแก่คลาโอน
เปลี่ยนพบโลกหนึ่งเปลี่ยนประจำ
อาศีแปซิฟิก
จ้าให้สำหรับเปลี่ยนนี่นั่งหมดดอเอาตอนปอนเอาตอนบานในจังไหน
จ้าบอกนั่งหมดดอดามคายประมาณปีนี่ ហើយយើងនឹងធ្វើកម្មវិធីមួយនៅ CJCC ដើម្បីទទួលពាននឹងទៀត
អូមានកម្មវិធីកម្មវិធីមួយទៀតកម្មវិធីមានជាយ៉ាំមានអីចឹងទៅអត់ទេអត់ច្បាស់
ហងពូ
ដើម្បីអបអរសាទរទៅនឹងពានរង្វាន់របស់បងប្អូនដែលបានទទួលណាបាទពានហ្នឹងមុខមាត់មិនទៅបានឃើញនៅ
លោកនាយកនេះខ្ញុំកំពុងតែដំណើរការរកពាន
ចាពានហ្នឹងបាទមានរូបហើយណាមានរូបភាពហើយតែគ្រាន់ថាមិនទាន់ដល់មកមិនទាន់ដល់ដៃរបស់បងប្អូនទាំងពីរណាបាទបងប្អូនទាំងពីរទេបាទហើយក្នុងនោះអ្វីដែលជាជោគជ័យនេះតើអ្វីដែលសំខាន់សម្រាប់ធីមឬក្រុមរបស់យើងហ្នឹងដែលមានគ្នាដល់ទៅ10នាក់ហើយ10នាក់ហ្នឹងឥឡូវហ្នឹងបានតែ2នាក់អញ្ចឹងហ្នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរអ្នកដែលពីក្រោយយើងហ្នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរ
គឺពួកគាត់សំខាន់គឺគាត់ថាបានជួយគេជួយឲ្យស្រុកខ្មែរយើងទៅនឹងទទួលបានផលប្រយោជន៍ជាច្រើនយល់អំពីវិស័យខាងបង្កើតអាជីវកម្មជំរុញឲ្យកូនខ្មែរចេះបង្កើតអាជីវកម្មជាជាងការធ្វើកសិកម្មព្រោះអីស្រុកខ្មែរយើង 80% ដែលធ្វើកសិកម្មអញ្ចឹងជាសេដ្ឋកិច្ចបាទហ្នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងគឺថាសេដ្ឋកិច្ចស្រុកខ្មែរប្រទេសណាដែលមានអ្នកធ្វើ entrepreneur នឹងច្រើនគឺប្រទេសនឹងសេដ្ឋកិច្ចគេចម្រើនហើយ
អ្នកធ្វើអីអ្នកធ្វើ
entrepreneur អ្នកចាប់រឿងសហគ្រិន
សហគ្រិនបាទអាជីវកម្មហ្នឹងគឺប្រទេសហ្នឹងរីកចម្រើនហើយបាទដូច្នេះបងប្អូនហ្នឹងគឺចង់ជំរុញធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចឲ្យប្រទេសរបស់យើងហ្នឹង
មានការរីកចម្រើន
មានការរីកចម្រើនណា
ថ្ងៃមួយវាអាចជាទុនរបស់យើងទៅថ្ងៃមុខទៅយើងអាចបង្កើតជាអាជីវកម្មខ្លួនឯងបាន
ឥឡូវហ្នឹងបានប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយគំនិតគិតគូររបស់យើងហ្នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចទៀតទៅមុខទៅពីខាងមុខ
គំនិតទៅថ្ងៃមុខពួកខ្ញុំចង់បង្កើតអាជីវកម្មនៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរដែរប៉ុន្តែបញ្ហាធំពួកយើងនៅក្មេងហើយយើងត្រូវការទុនដើម្បីបង្កើតអាជីវកម្មហ្នឹង
តែឥឡូវគិតធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចយើងមានគំនិតអីទេដើម្បីនៅផែនការអីទេដើម្បីនឹងជម្រាបជូនដល់ពូអ៊ំអាយដាមអស់លោកដែលកំពុងទេសនានេះពីជាគំនិតរបស់យើងជួយតិចមើលជួយផ្ដល់ជាគំនិតតិចមើល
ធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចចង់ឲ្យបើ
សំលុយដាក់នៅក្នុងកូនជ្រូកដើម្បីឲ្យថ្ងៃក្រោយទៅបោកមកទៅធ្វើថាគ្រាបានឬមួយក៏ថាឲ្យអ៊ំពូនឹងជួយដើម្បីនឹងធ្វើយ៉ាងម៉េចជំរុញក៏ដូចជាមានកម្ចីឬក៏មានអីយ៉ាងម៉េចមានបានគិតដល់ចំណុចហ្នឹងទេ
គិតបាទគិតដែរព្រោះអីចង់ថាគឺថាមានគេចាប់អារម្មណ៍នៅ
អាជីវកម្មរបស់ពួកខ្ញុំដែរពួកអីគ្រូប្រាប់ថាមានគេតាក់ទងមកខ្លះហើយគេថាបើសិនជាគេឲ្យជំនួយរបស់យើងតើយើងអាចរ៉ាន់អានឹងបានឬអត់
ហ្នឹងហើយចុះយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរសម្រាប់ទំនុកចិត្តបងអូនគិតថាអាចនឹងដំណើរការបានទេ
ពួកខ្ញុំគិតថាអាចព្រោះអីមុននឹងគេឲ្យយើងជាប់ព្រោះអីគណៈកម្មការគេមើលគេគិតថា business ហ្នឹងគឺយើងអាចរ៉ាន់បានហើយណាមួយសម្រាប់ស្រុកខ្មែរយើងគឺជាប្រទេសមួយដែលមានអំណោយផលពីធម្មជាតិស្រាប់ខាងវិស័យកសិកម្ម
ចាដូច្នេះគិតថាអាចនឹង
ជោគជ័យ
ចា
ឥឡូវដំបូងអស់ហើយដាំអំពៅ
ស្មាតពូទៅអី
មិនឥឡូវថាធ្វើស្រែដូចជា
ឡាពេកអាហ្នឹងគឺយើងជួយបានដល់ខាងកសិកម្មដែរព្រោះអីយើងដកប្រាក់ចំណេញយើង 5% ទៅឲ្យខាងមិនមែនរដ្ឋាភិបាលណា NGO ហ្នឹងឲ្យគាត់ចុះទៅបរៀនធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យដាំធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យត្រូវស្តង់ដារ
ហ្នឹងចេះពីរបៀបដាំដំណាំធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យតាមស្តង់ដារឲ្យទទួលបានទិន្នផលខ្ពស់ទៀត
ហើយមិនបាយជាគីមី
យើងអាចបង្កើតជាការងារក្នុងស្រុកដល់ពួកគាត់ផងពួកគាត់បាច់ទៅធ្វើការនៅក្រៅប្រទេសទៀតទេ
បាទហ្នឹងហើយចំណាក់ស្រុកខុសច្បាប់ដែលមករាប់រយជួយគាត់បានដែរ
ជួយគាត់បានដែរ
ចាហើយបងចង់សួរបន្តិចពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងគម្រោងអាជីវកម្មព្រោះថាផែនការអាជីវកម្មមួយត្រូវមានទាំងផ្នែកទីផ្សារផ្នែកធនធានមនុស្សផ្នែកហិរញ្ញវត្ថុអីជាដើមសម្រាប់ការរៀបចំហ្នឹងព្រោះថាបងប្អូនតែនៅក្នុងកម្រិតវិទ្យាល័យឡើយទេហើយយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរយើងរៀបចំយ៉ាងដូចម្ដេចទទួលបានការបណ្ដុះបណ្ដាលរយៈពេល1ខែហ្នឹងអាចរៀបចំបានឬក៏យ៉ាងម៉េចបងចា
បានគេរៀបចំបានដែរព្រោះអីគាត់បរៀនទាំងអស់សំខាន់គឺថាដើម្បីឲ្យយើងជាប់ហ្នឹងគេគិត4ទី1គឺភាពច្នៃប្រឌិតនិងភាពបង្កើតថ្មីរបស់យើងទី2គឺតកតងនឹងហិរញ្ញវត្ថុនិងផលិតផលទី3គឺដល់ទីផ្សារនិងការផ្សាយជូនលើទីផ្សាររបស់យើងហើយទី4គឺដល់ទំនាក់ទំនង
គឺគណៈកម្មការគេវិនិច្ឆ័យទៅលើចំណុចទាំង4ហ្នឹង
ចាសរុបមកវិញបានន័យថាការដែលប្រកួតនេះគឺមានចំនួន16ប្រទេស
16ប្រទេស
ចា16ប្រទេស
លើពិភពលោក
អូយខ្មែរយើងបានលេខ1ចាបងព្រីសម្បល់ហើយចាឥឡូវនេះសូមទស្សនិកជនប្រហែលជា1នាទីឬក៏2នាទីដើម្បីឃើញពានបន្តិចលោកនាយកចាខាងបច្ចេកទេសរបស់យើងកំពុងតែធ្វើការនេះអូចាដាច់ចាអត់បានឃើញ
ចាំដល់បានមែនតែនសិនណាចាំបានមែនតែនចាំជួបមួយបងប្អូនយើងទៀតដើម្បីនឹងបង្ហាញជូនដល់ប្រិយមិត្តទូទាំងជនឲ្យបានឃើញអំពី សមិទ្ធផលក៏ដូចជាភាពឆ្លៀសវៃរបស់យុវជនខ្មែរយើងនៅក្នុងការប្រកួតប្រជែងនៅលើឆាកអន្តរជាតិនេះទេណាបាទឆាកអន្តរជាតិដែលធ្វើឲ្យកេរ្តិ៍ឈ្មោះរបស់ខ្មែរយើងល្បីរន្ទឺទៅទាំងពិភពលោកពីព្រោះថាការប្រកួតនេះនិយាយទៅច្រើនឆ្នាំហើយដែលអាស៊ីយើងអត់ទាន់បានទទួលបានប្រហែលឆ្នាំ
12ឆ្នាំហើយគេប្រកាសតាំងពី2002
ហ្នឹងហើយ12ឆ្នាំហើយអាស៊ីអត់ទាន់បានទទួលឥឡូវបានខ្មែរយើងបានលេខ1ហើយលេខ1ដល់2
ទៀតយើងបានពីរង្វាន់ប្រចាំពិភពលោកហើយប្រចាំអាស៊ីប៉ាស៊ីហ្វិកទៀត
ហើយនិយាយគណៈកម្មការតិចទៅបងប្អូនយើងថាងាប់ហើយគណៈកម្មការទៅពីខ្មែរដឹងហើយឬមួយយ៉ាងម៉េច
អត់ទេចំពោះគណៈកម្មការគឺក្នុងប្រទេសនីមួយៗត្រូវបញ្ជូនគណៈកម្មការទៅ2នាក់ដើម្បីកាត់ក្តីហើយគណៈកម្មការហ្នឹងគឺអត់មានសិទ្ធិវិនិច្ឆ័យទៅលើក្រុមដែលមកពីប្រទេសរបស់ខ្លួនទេ
ចាហើយគណៈកម្មការដែលផ្ដល់ជ័យលាភីឲ្យយើងនេះគណៈកម្មការពីប្រទេសណាខ្លះ
ចំពោះអារឿងហ្នឹងអត់ទាន់ដឹងច្បាស់ព្រោះឲ្យគេ
តាមផ្ញើ
មកតែមិនខ្មែរយើងទេ
អត់មានខ្មែរ
មានសាសនាខ្លះប្រទេសណាខ្លះ
ដែលជាអូស្ត្រាលីប្រ៊ុយណេមិចស៊ីកូ
អាមេរិក
ញូហ្សេឡង់
អាឡម៉ង់
ចាជប៉ុនកូរ៉េ
សតប្រទេសគេសោកអត់បាន
តែប្រទេសមហាអំណាច
ហ្នឹងហើយយើងដោយសោកបំផុតអត់បានទេប្រទេសហ្នឹង
តាមតែកាត់ក្តីខ្មែរក៏ថាដូចឈ្នះ World Cup អញ្ចឹង
ហ្នឹងហើយ
ចាអូខេយើងមើលពៀនហ្នឹងមើលពៀនក៏ស្តៀងដែរអញ្ចឹងណាចា
បាទពៀនស្តៀង World Cup ដែរណាបាទអូខេយើងនឹងបានឃើញពៀននេះនៅលើទឹកដីរបស់យើងនៅក្នុងដើមខែកក្កដាខាងមុខនេះអរគុណទាំងអបសាទរណាដល់បងទាំងពីរហើយក៏ជូនពរណាឲ្យបានទទួលជោគជ័យនៅគម្រោងនិងផែនការទៅថ្ងៃមុខទៀតអរគុណណាបាទ
អរគុណអូនទាំងពីរចា
អរគុណបងអរគុណ
បាទអរគុណបាទប្រិមិត្តទស្សនិកជននេះគឺជាស្នាដៃរបស់កូនខ្មែរហើយក៏ជាជោគជ័យរបស់ខ្មែរដែលមានកូនខ្មែរយើងឆ្លាតនិងឆ្លៀសវៃរបៀបនេះក៏ចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងដើម្បីនឹងឲ្យមានភាពឆ្លៀសវៃដោយបងប្អូនទាំងពីរនិងក្រុមការងាររបស់គេដើម្បីឲ្យកម្ពុជារបស់យើងឈានទៅរកភាពរីកចម្រើនដែលបងប្អូនបានស្រមើស្រមៃទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏ដូចជាឯកឧត្តមអស់លោកស្រមើស្រមៃទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយគ្នារួមគ្នាដើម្បីកសាងកម្ពុជារបស់យើងឲ្យរីកចម្រើនអរគុណកម្មវិធីយើងសន្មតចាប់តែប៉ុណ្ណេះសន្យាវិលមកជួបគ្នាវិញនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកតាមពេលវេលានឹងម៉ោងដដែលកុំភ្លេចនៅទីណាចាប់ដើមពីដើមខែកក្កដាយើងដូរទៅម៉ោងយប់វិញគឺម៉ោង8យប់ទៅដល់ម៉ោង10យប់ពីដើមខែកក្កដាទៅអរគុណបាទពីថ្ងៃច័ន្ទហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹង
ថ្ងៃច័ន្ទអាទិត្យក្រោយតែម្ដង
ចាយើងជួបគ្នាពេលយប់វិញនៅទីណាបាទអរគុណយើងខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមគោរពលាសូមអរគុណជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀត